Hey.
Hi, VideoJoe.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
All right. What are we doing here today, mind you?
You are so awesome. You're going to help me build my studio so I can have a YouTube channel.
Yes. And you have a shoe store here, and you want me to do some work in the back so that you can do some videos of your own.
That's right.
On YouTube, so you can start making money on YouTube.
Woohoo! You know it.
All right. Because it's a good way to supplement your income, you know.
Definitely.
And you have the talent, and you've got plenty of things here that you can make videos of.
I'm already
right?
doing the work. Why not record it while I'm at it?
Okay.
But you know how my work is here because you've helped me already do some of the shoe repair.
That was kind of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
And you were quite good at it.
Hey.
But there's a lot of work, and so I don't have time to fix up my little shop. And so I have, you know, the shop needs some help. And if I'm going to have a cute YouTube channel, I want it to be pink and girly and...
Pink.
Pink.
Oh, okay, yes. Pink here, pink there.
We're going pink, Joe.
All right. Pink walls, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your list that you prepared for me.
Yeah,
right?
and it's long, because you told me there were no limits. So I made a list.
Oh,
that was
no.
my homework.
Your honeydew list.
Uh-huh.
What have I got myself into?
I don't know. You might regret it later.
Hey, there's some boxes here that you need to open,
Yeah, I know. I've been holding on to them. You told me not to peek.
right? Mm-hmm. Because you're going to help me. I
That's
think.
right. I am kind of handy. You know, I can
Okay.
use a hammer and some tools and a drill and all of that.
All right.
But I do, and I will say, I just am going to point this out, that of these two boxes, this box came delivered here with these holes in it, and I tried to peek, but I couldn't. And it's really light. I can't figure out what it is.
Well, I mean, it's something that I think you're probably going to need.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
in your shoe store.
Well, that's why it was good you were here. You got to see what kind of work I do
Yeah.
and what I need back there.
Yeah.
Right? Make it more functional. So
Yeah.
I'm curious what this one is.
You want to open this one first?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'll grab my box cutter since I have one. Okay.
You don't have a pink box cutter?
No. What's up with that? Okay. This is so great.
Amazon. I love Amazon.
Okay. Woohoo! What's in there? Hey, they're great. They're pink.
Yes. That's what was in there.
Safety girl. Those are awesome.
Hey.
Oh, Joe, you're so cool.
You know, that's not for this list. That's probably when you're grinding shoe
Yeah.
heels and stuff like that.
Yeah, you were paying attention.
Yeah.
Because I use
Yeah.
safety glasses because I don't want to damage my baby blues.
Oh, those are cute.
They're totally cute.
Awesome. I like them. That's you.
Thank you, Joe.
Okay, what else?
Okay, well, let's see what's in the other one. Here, I'll put
Yes.
it on my head. Okay. All right.
Any guesses?
No, it's not a book. It's not a puzzle. Okay, let's check it out. It says it has some kind of a tool thing on it. Workshop tools.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh man,
I
you're
looked-
so cool.
I looked high and low for this.
Okay.
There's not very many of these in existence.
God, it's a nice one too. Killer pink tool belt.
A pink
OMG.
tool belt. What do you think about that?
God, this is nice. This is a really nice one. I repair some of these for guys who have their favorite tool belts.
Yep.
And they're nice suede. This is an awesome
Okay.
tool belt.
Okay, but let's
Okay.
stand up. Let
I
me
will.
see. Let me see this.
Okay.
Okay.
So see, when I go into if I get, let's say, a diabetic person and they come into my workshop, I have to have my measuring tapes, my chalk, my pencil, and I always end up carrying them or lugging them back and forth.
Wow, that's
Here.
kind of awesome. Pink?
Is this supposed to go in the back or the front?
Well, actually, I got this so that you could flip it around and put it on the front. Hopefully you can
right, 'cause
adjust
see, then
it.
I can have my chalk here.
Yes, because then you can have it kind of like an apron, and you can have all
man,
your
it's
stuff there,
awesome.
right?
Joe,
Hey,
this is way too cool.
that's kind of
Oh
nice.
my gosh.
I was hoping everything was going to be pink But you know, this is black. Sorry about that. That's
It
all.
is so
that's all I had.
nice.
You know,
I mean, this is suede.
Yes.
Wow, it's awesome.
I could have gotten you a nylon pink one.
Yeah, this
You know,
is...
I have a pink. I have a blue, a blue nylon nail bag.
Okay.
Okay, and it works great for me. But I thought you have to have the leather one.
Oh man, this is so cool.
And you don't really need a nail bag like guys have, because you're not like building stuff. You're making things, you're repairing shoes, you're doing all kinds of stuff here. And so once you get that all adjusted, you're gonna flip that around, you're gonna have everything to the front.
Okay.
Okay, they had,
Okay.
like I say, they had other ones, but I thought,
Once I figure it out.
yes.
But that is too cool.
Yes.
Oh my god, I love it.
Hey, there was only one size. I hope you're not too skinny to wear that.
I can fix it if not. I have a sewing machine. I'll fix it.
Yeah, I figured you could probably fix it.
So
Isn't
nice.
that awesome?
Good job.
Pink?
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh.
So great. It's gonna be my favorite lifelong belt with my little pink glasses.
Yes. Oh, you're styling. You're styling.
Okay, I'll use it when because you're gonna make me work too.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I love it. I'm not taking it off. I'm gonna wear it.
Okay. Okay. So you better get that. That's a $5,000 order of shoes.
Oh, that is too funny. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, this is so great. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear it.
Yeah, it smells good too.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Seriously.
I've never seen one.
Oh my god.
I've never seen a pink
Oh my god, I
leather
can't believe how nice it is.
tool
Wow.
apron.
I'm gonna put my pen in it.
Okay.
And I have chalk. I'm gonna put my chalk in it.
You know what? There's going to be some other boxes coming for you.
Really?
Okay? Yeah, a few more things, that you may need.
Okay.
All right? So
Okay.
you want to give me a tour and tell me
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
is
let's
going
go.
on in the other room?
You got it.
Okay.
So we have a lot of things because
I'm just going to keep this rolling.
sure. So I've got the upstairs and the downstairs. Both places need to have some things done to them, but we're going to start downstairs.
Okay.
And just taking a look in here, you can see how drab it is. I'll point it out to you. You know, when I'm going to be shooting my YouTube channel, I want to have pretty back walls here. and
Uh-huh. Of course you
so
do.
On my list is I want to paint this wall pink back here.
Okay.
Fix up my air conditioner because that looks awful.
Okay.
Paint this. I use this toolbox here a lot, so this will be in the background.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
metal box, and I'm sure you know how to handle metal and show me how to paint with metal.
What kind of paint what color are you doing that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Pink's always an option, but probably white, maybe
White? Okay. All right.
And then the big job here as well is going to be this tool bench.
Uh-huh.
I got this workbench from the original owner, and it's got years of glue on it, and it's
Yeah.
got this cutting board that I use all the time, but as you can see, I do get glue on things.
Yeah.
It's just a part of the job, but I would like to, we were talking about maybe figuring a new solution, and I might have come up with something
Oh.
to resurface that with,
Okay.
but I'll need your help. And then painting,
Yes.
so painting our bench,
Yes, because you know what? We're going to do this on a budget.
that's right,
And we're not going to spend very much money with this
no.
because, you know, we don't need to. This is in
No.
the back, and to make your YouTube videos, that's
Yep.
all we're going to have to do.
Yep.
All right?
And I have stuff. So you told me after I made my list, I went up into my storage of stuff. And
Okay.
I found a lot of things that we're going to use. So
All right.
I have white shelving already, which is going to be really fun because I'm going to take you back to this part of the room.
Shelving.
Yeah. See, I have shoes, and usually this room is filled with shoes everywhere. I'm always looking for a flat surface.
Oh my gosh, look at this pink wall.
We're going to keep going pink.
Is pink your favorite color, by the
Pretty
way?
much.
Huh?
And for a girl's shoe store, I mean, it's just perfect to have the pink.
Yes, pink dress, pink. Oh, pink shoe over there.
Right.
You know.
So we're going to put shelves up here.
Okay.
I've got lots of white shelving already that you're going to show me how to cut and hang them up here on the wall. We'll move some things around here and basically, you know, make some space.
Uh-huh.
And then also, as you can, I have had a lot of things put on the internet already. I've been taped a lot or interviewed a lot. And you always see this ugly wall here or this ugly wall over here.
Ah.
And so we're going to paint that as well.
Okay.
So I have a nice view, whichever camera angle it's going to be.
All right.
Yeah. And clean this up. My floors need some work. So we're going to use a environmentally friendly cleaner to get some of this glue up off of the floor. But you know, Joe, I work so hard, I just don't have time to do it all myself. And so I'm so glad you're here to help.
Those are some jazzy shoes.
Thank you. This is my famous hot biscuit. This is what I'm known for.
Yes.
And I work in them because they're so comfortable. So I actually wear this. I wear dresses at work. I wear my cute little aprons to protect my clothing.
Oh, that's cute.
I'll be selling, this is my own apron. It's all worn and dirty right now, but I make these. It's the hot biscuit apron, and they're in pink as well. So when I do my YouTube channel, I'll be selling my cute pink aprons online. So I'm excited about monetizing the channel, Joe. You really hit the nail on the head there. It's a way to make money on the side, you know, and it gives me some flexibility to do what I want to do. It's like Oprah having her own channel. She has full control, and that's what I want.
Hey, remember we're going to do that contest to give away some shoes?
Yes.
Well, that is only going to be in Maui. And I was thinking for all of the women in all other parts of the country, we need to do something for them. And you know what I was thinking of?
What?
Maybe you making a pink apron, and we can give that away.
That's a great idea.
And they have to be a subscriber first, and you can pick out a winner, and then you can send them a pink apron, maybe with some with a pattern to it too, or something.
Yeah,
if they want to.
That's a good idea because I'm going to sell patterns online. That's right. Let's hit the other area too.
Okay.
Remember, this list is long. It's
All
very
right.
long. We've only touched this part.
Holy mackerel! I hope my I have enough minutes on my video camera.
So we also have this room because what we missed, I get batches, my shoe repair batches, and they pile up, and I usually have them in this messy spot in the front. But we're going to turn this room into more shelving and storage here. So.
Oh yes.
Right.
It's a little dark in here, but
Hard
it's
to
just
see.
it's just a small little room here, and we're going to put some shelves in there, right?
And we're also putting lighting.
Oh, that's right.
Right.
We're going to add some lights up here because it's kind of
It's dark.
It's kind of dark over there.
Yeah, so that'll be nice to do that.
All right.
And then the other thing we talked about is this wall. Because for my shoe store, if the shoe fits on Maui, I specialize in things like wedding shoes. And I have this wall over here, which displays my wedding shoes. But it's just kind of a drab color. It makes this paneling look cheap. And so I have fallen in love with this glossy white paint.
Okay.
And I'd like to do that. I'd like to take this down. This will be my special wedding wall. And it'll be really pretty glossy white, and all the shoes will reflect against it. It'll be nice.
Yes.
Yeah. And
All
those
right.
are the first of the tasks.
Okay.
Are you up for it?
I am up for it, but I think there's another wall that you missed.
Which wall?
This black wall over here.
Oh,
Weren't you
yeah.
going to paint this wall too?
Yeah, we talked about it.
Huh?
I have to see how tired you are.
This black wall is going to require maybe a couple coats of primer before we put some finished paint on it. But you were talking about painting this wall here too.
Yeah, it's
Weren't
a good
you?
idea.
Or not?
I think if you're up for it, I'll
I'm
take
up for
on.
it. I'm up for it.
Me too. We can always pull in volunteers if we run low on energy.
Hey, we can do it ourselves. We're
Okay.
trying to save some money here, remember?
Volunteers.
Oh, yeah.
They're friends. They want to help. They can't
That's
stand
true.
seeing some of the stuff, and they feel bad for me. They want to come help.
Yeah.
So we can do that.
Okay, all right.
Cool. I'm excited. I can't wait. The next time you see me, I'm going to be wearing my tool belt and an outfit to match.
Yes, where is your, oh, there's your
I
tool
know,
belt
it's so
over there.
cute.
That is, I was kind of hoping that pink was going to be a nice pink because I wasn't quite
It's
sure.
a beautiful pink.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. I'm so happy. Thanks, Joe. Thanks for helping me. And I hope others are going to glean some information from this because you're out there helping people set up YouTube channels, you know,
Yep.
and helping to monetize. It's the new wave of the future, you know, and it's just barely been tapped. And I want to be on that wave with
Yes. I'm going to help you with this because I want you to make some money and be a success.
you. Thanks, I can tell. You already have. You
All
came
right.
in and volunteered and helped. Thanks,
Yeah.
Joe.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I'm sitting here by the side of the road. I had to stop. Look at that. It looks like a rainbow, but it's right there on the ground. And up higher, I don't know if you can see it. Up a little bit further, there's another rainbow. It's kind of in there. It's not very bright. You see it up there? Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm here in Maui. Wish you were here. I'm up here a little bit closer towards Makawao. Look at that. It just seems to be getting a little bit brighter. It's right in front of me. And see up on your computer screen, maybe, oh, I don't know, 8 inches or so, where it's dull. That's another rainbow. Kind of, you can see it. It's hazy at the very top before it goes blue up there, the sky. Well, that's a rainbow there too, kind of like a dirty rainbow. That's just amazing.